So yeah guys, happy birthday to our me, happy birthday to our my mom, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, thank you for everything guys, and you gave it to me, all everything I got. Pauwi na tayo guys, pauwi na tayo guys. Yan ang aso na, oh, nagbabark na, oh, na. Here guys, I'm so happy. In-answer niya ako. Sinagot na nga ako. Pero antay ko pa rin na 2 years. 2 years na. Graduate na ako next year. Tapos hopefully I get a job next year. Hopefully I get a job this year, next year. This year. Expensive na yung tayo magagawa guys. Bacolor na ito, oh. Bacolor. Bacolor. But thank you guys so much to attend for my birthday. Thank you everybody that greeted me happy birthday too from my Facebook, everything like that. I'll subscribe my YouTube guys. Kamba. My Facebook, Kamba, everything guys. Subscribe. Okay? And anyways, this is me guys. This is me. I look like not 29, huh? Or am I 29? Because Sir Oli thinks that, shout out to Sir O, thinks that I'm freaking 40 or 41. Why? Because I'm always like not waking up early or what? Or not getting enough sleep or what? So yeah, shout out to Sir O. That is Sir O. Sir O, you're the best. But please don't fail me, bro. Thank you, sir. Love ya. Sir, mag-workshop na ba tayo sa bukas or mag-group na kami sa Tuesday next week ako or na bukas na 10:30 alis tayo 11 hanggang 11 alis ako 11:30 tapos 12 na. Galing mo talaga din. Guys, lolo ko, lolo. Lala! Wala ba sa akin? Wala sa akin, tito? Dito. Umulan na. Umulan na. Dati hindi naman ganyan eh. Ayun. Dito, kasagad na yun. Tumaas na din yung presyo? Tumaas na yung presyo? Oo, tapos mga nang bangulit bukas. What? 505. Alright guys, just gonna go home. That's my 3 Bye bye. Thank you for